I'm Eric Mouilleron, the CEO and founder of Bankable, so a founding member of Innovate Finance, who organized this event today. And we're an active member. We've been selected by KPMG. We're on the top 10 emerging star. So I'll tell you two things. Today I've got 5 minutes, so I won't go, I'll take my 5 minutes in full. So first thing is I'll talk to you about me very briefly, about the company, what we do in general, and what we do for 3 different clients. Okay, this is me. So I've set up various companies before Bankable. One went public. So I'm one of the rare CEOs in the FinTech world who have brought a company from 0 to 1.5 billion. Hopefully Bankable will be a larger organization than the previous one. The big difference with what I've done before, this is not related, correlated to resources. I used to have 1,200 people. Today we are 21. If we are 50 to 100, we'll have a very, very big organization. So Bankable, I think we've started in 2010. The goal was payment democratization. We started with corporates because we want predictability of revenue. So, but we'll go back to payment democratization a bit later. So our vision is to displace payment efficiency. So payment efficiency, there's a lot of them, namely in the pretty much in the corporate world. Cash is inefficient. If you're a company, you don't want to have cash in your organization. Voucher and checks, of course. So what we built is a platform for different kind of organization, consumers or governments, to in fact displace what was not working with electronic solutions. So there's many things we can do with our platform. So that's why it's difficult to, in fact, to understand, because it's we have solutions for various industries. So we work either with API or on white label. So on the API, we can build some virtual account e-ledger solutions for people who want to reconcile large payment inflows. We work a lot on B2B payments. We've done initiative with various clients on payment cards, so we can issue globally from the UK any corporate cards, Visa or MasterCard. But we work usually with on B2B. We work with distributors, with FinTech companies, or with banks that will use our solution. So we can as well support remittances and P2P transfers. So it's a single platform serving various needs. So on the white label, you see a few things that are already live. Basically, what we're here for is to provide a real-time payment and cheaper. So if it's real-time and cheaper than what it is, it's likely to be very good. So one of our clients is Deutsche Bank, Global Transaction Banking. So today we serve about 50 of their clients. They have 57,000 corporate clients. So you can imagine that there's a path for growth. And we work as well with other banks. So I think we want to be seen as friendly to large incumbents, global organizations, but as well very friendly to our colleagues. We're not against anyone. We want to serve the most relevant business case. What we're after is we want to know if we have someone in front of us that want to be and can be dominant. In this case, we'll be happy to serve to get scalability. So this program is, in fact, was done for group treasurers, so they can centralize in one jurisdiction, the headquarters, everything they do in various countries. So they can operate in 20, 50 countries, but they'll have a central view of per currency and per geography, per entity of the organization. Another example of what we can deliver this way in the FinTech world, we've been approached about 3 years ago by I think one of the competitors of number 26 in France called Anytime. So they've got distribution, they've got talent for design, and we provided them with all the processing engine. We provided them with the connection to the bureau, to Gemarto that we have worldwide, and we provided them with our infrastructure on our platform, so they could plug and play their own infrastructure to ours. And in fact, at the end of the day, what we're here for is to deliver time to market to either entrepreneurs or incumbents. So this program as well is used by parents, a bit like OSPER in the UK. So they're used by parents to check what the kids are doing with the money. So you receive an SMS, my kids have been at McDonald's at 10 o'clock. So what are they doing? So you can control your kids. I know it's not very popular with people who are not parents, but when you're a parent, you think it's a great initiative. Another example in the insurance business this time, I think it's what we call a click and collect. So it's a quite interesting program. When you buy an insurance on the web, the insurer will not necessarily know too much who you are. They'll know your name, they'll know your mobile, and maybe your email, and that's it. So in case a flight is late and you subscribe to this insurance policy, you're going to receive about 200 euro, let's say in this case. Usually there's lots of paper involved. It takes ages to get your money back. So yes, and then in fact it's real time again payment for people who have an insurance. And that's it. That's my last slide. So if you're an incumbent, or if you're a large fintech, or if you want to become dominant, come and see me. I'll be very pleased to power your organization. Thank you.